Welcome everyone to QUOC channel. Today, Phong will review the CNC lathe machine with sitting his model MR4SD1200. Previously, to lathe a back like this, we would need 3 tabs and 3 workers to complete. First, we would lathe the top head, then lathe the bottom head, and finally pass it through the sharper machine for finishing. These steps were time-consuming, not productive, and required too much labor in production. Returning to the machine that Phong want to introduce to you today. For this part, we only need to load the rough workpiece in the form of a rough arc, then fit it into the machine, and it can process 4 workpieces each one cycle, resulting in very high productivity. This machine is specialized in processing eccentric shaft, 3D shaft, very complex surface. All can be machined with very high precision and 4 times the productivity compared to surface. All can be machined with very high precision and 4 times productivity compared to current automatic lathe. First, let's go into the machining cluster. Here, it is designed with a total of 16 cutters. The cutters facing each other will share the same motor, a total of 8 high power motors. We have 2 independent work tables. With the design of these 2 tables, it is suitable for customers who want to produce multiple different shaft parts in parallel on one machine, constantly moving the workpiece up and down within the same time. You can get 2 different shaft parts, which is great for the assembly process. Assembly worker don't need to waste time transporting part for the next machine step. Changing around between different parts is very simple, just a click on the screen. Go deeper into the table. There are 2 centering heads. One front head is fixed. The black head can be moved in and out to fit the length of the workpiece that needs to be machined. Here, the machine is designed with 2 additional cylinders to support the workpiece during machining. This cylinder can be adjusted in and out to hold the workpiece during operation to produce accurate details. We will adjust the distance of the white centering heads to match the black ones, meaning they are concentric, and this distance must be equal to the distance of the machine spindle clean off. We don't adjust the black centering head, only adjust the one opposite. But rest assured, when purchasing a machine from QUOC, our experienced technical team has set up standards to ensure that customer will need minimal adjustment in the future. This is the electrical control system of the machine. Below, there is an additional conveyor belt designed to carry out dust after machining, which is very convenient for machine cleaning. To be able to machine extremely complex 3D part as Phong just introduced, people need to know how to run 3D on NX software for design and CAM programming. But don't worry, QUOC also has a team of engineers to guide you from design to programming to produce detailed products, guiding you until you can do it yourself. Now, please watch the machine running process